Hey guys, it's Charlie here from Margin's Mushrooms, and it's great to be alive. Today we're going to be making some delicious pulled pork sort of stuff. I've got these absolutely amazing huge oyster mushrooms here that we've grown, and they're a little bit too big to fit into the bag, so we're going to shred them up and we're going to just make some yummy food. So first step is preheat the oven to 180 and let's get started. Alright, so we've got this big one here, so we're just going to do it real rustic, just rough it up. Like, you can do it with a fork, but it's just so much easier with your fingers. Just grab it and just rip it apart. So I like some parts a little bit thinner than others because it gets a little bit crispier, then other parts I make it a little bit chunkier, and that way it's a little bit juicier, you get the different textures, it's pretty good. So let's just start shredding it up. Place it onto the baking tray here. Alrighty, so we're back, and I've done two trays because we're going to do two different types today. So one's like a sort of smoky barbecue, like paprika. It's got a little bit chili flake, some salt and pepper, a bit of garlic, and so that one's pretty good. Then this other one we're going to do, it's got some soy sauce, a little bit of maple syrup, salt and pepper. That one's delicious too. Alright, so first one, let's just start with this one here. We'll do the smoky paprika one. We're just going to do a little drizzle of olive oil. I don't know the exact measurements, a couple tablespoons, a little drizzle of olive oil. Got some sweet paprika, gonna do a big pinch over all the oyster mushrooms, maybe 2 pinches. This all like depends on your own flavoring, but these are just sort of suggestions. So we'll do smoky paprika, we're gonna do a big pinch of chili flakes. We've actually made these chili flakes ourselves and they are super spicy, so I'm just going to do a small pinch of those over there. Let's do the whole thing. We like it spicy. Alright, and I chopped up some garlic just before, so we'll probably use up about half of that. There's about 3 cloves, or 3 little heads of garlic, 3 little parts of it. So let's do that. And then we'll just like stir it all in. Alright, I'm just going to do a little bit more olive oil because it's a little bit dry. Alright, cool. Let's just do a little couple of cracks of salt. Couple cracks of pepper. Alright, so that one's done. Easy as. Alright, next one. We're up to this one here. We're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do soy sauce, maple syrup, olive oil, salt and pepper. We've actually got a little bit of allspice, so that's just something to mix it up a little bit more. So drizzle the olive oil again. I've actually got dark soy sauce. We've run out of like the light soy sauce, so we're gonna do dark. It's gonna go really dark this time, but splash over there. And then with the maple syrup, we'll do the same. We'll just a little drizzle over this. Maybe not as much, but give that a little sweetness. All right, cracked pepper. These mushrooms are just like so delicious and can be used in so many different ways. We're actually making a ramen soup tonight, and we're going to use that on top of this, but you can use them in tacos, you can do burritos, rice paper rolls, nori rolls, like on sandwiches, like they're just so versatile. So we'll use the rest of this garlic. I reckon we'll add a little bit of chili flake to this one too. Oh yeah, and we're going to do a little pinch of the allspice, so just a pinch of that over it. Okay, now we'll mix it up again. Yeah, these just get so juicy. They're awesome. Alright, easy as that. So while we're just waiting for the oven to heat up, I'm just going to wash up, prepare a few other things, and we'll just get ready for it. Alright, we're back. Alright, so oven's preheated, and let's do it. So as I was saying before, we heat the oven up to 180. We're going to cook it for about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. It just depends, like every oven's slightly different, so it just depends on how crispy you want it. If you want it a bit juicier, just go for it. So we'll set an alarm for 20 minutes, and then we'll just judge to see if it's all good or if it's not. So I'll see you in 20 minutes. Alrighty, so we're back. It's been a long 20 minutes. Actually, it was 25 minutes, I lied. We pulled it out, it needed another 5 minutes. So I definitely would recommend 25 minutes on about 180, and get it nice and juicy. And yeah, so let's get and see the results. Alrighty, so they look delicious. It actually smells insane here, so I'm really excited. Let's have a little try of the one with the maple syrup. Alright, these are going to be good. So we're going to let them cool down a little bit, and we'll just put them into a Tupperware dish. And that's how to make mushroom pulled pork, guys. So simple. Like I said, they can be used in everything, like ramen soups, rice paper rolls. You can put them onto sandwiches. You can put them in lasagnas, tacos, like endless possibilities, guys. So I hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to check out our website, marginsmushrooms.com.au. There's some you can buy at least the mushroom kits through there. You can check out all the markets we do, all the photos. Yum, yum, yum. It's great to be alive.